Hello guys, welcome to a new episode. I just picked up the last stuff from JB Motoren. I picked up the rear inner tube, some new brake pads, tire spoons, some chain spray, and a new air filter. The snorkel is gonna be removed, and then I'm gonna replace it with this 3D printed cover and a twin air filter. It's going to sit in here. Well, this is the snorkel that's going to be replaced with this twin air. It sucks a bit more air and it keeps the dust out. This is a wide opening. Well, it has a wide opening. This is my air filter. Looks really clean. It's very new. So now I'm gonna put a twin air over it. Twin air filter in. I need to order some oil for it, and then it's all ready to go. And now we can start packing the bike. It's still on its street tires, the project I did, but the off-road tires are getting on again, and I'm gonna start packing the bike with all the stuff I need on my trip during the ride. So here we go. Here it is, the stuff that I'm going to pack on the bike. It's less than I expected it to be, so that's nice. I have these bags to put all the stuff in. I don't think I'm going to need them all, so that's a good thing. This is my my water bag, and I can put some small food in it. This is going to be on my own bag. This is the tail pack. My camera will be in here, and I think some other electronic stuff. So this one is already taken. Then these 4 bags I can mount on my crash bars or on the back Donatec bars. And I think I don't need these 2, but I will have to see what I get in the other bags. And this is an handlebar bag. I can put it on my handlebar, and this is for my wallet and maybe some sunglasses. This is my toolkit. I packed everything in it. These are the protectors for the rims when I need to change them, some electro tape, some fuses, and some, I don't know what it's called, to connect the wires. I got the spare levers. I showed this to you in the last video. Rear axle, front axle, multi-tool, whole kit, tire spoons, tire wraps, chain loop, inner tubes, pump. This tip I got today. I initially said a toilet roll, but people said you need to take baby wipes. It's better because you can also clean your hands and other stuff. So I got the baby wipes, raincoat, rain pants, raincoat, and also rainproof gloves. That's my second pair. And my first pair I will put in my luggage. So everything is packed. I have 3 bags. One with the toolkit, one with the tires, one with the rain stuff. This one is a spare, but I'm still gonna mount it on the bike for food or stuff I need, like dry socks, that kind of stuff. This one's also empty, but this is for the electronics, for my camera, GoPro, batteries, and that one goes on my back for the water, and that one is for my sunglasses and wallet and stuff. So this is the stuff I'm gonna put on the bike. The other 2 bags, I don't need them, so they are gonna stay at home. So now let's get this on the bike. So everything is mounted. This is gonna be my riding setup. This one is empty now, but I'm gonna leave it on here for some extra stuff. This is the handlebar bag. It's quite easy for some. And here I can put in some other stuff. The dash, still visible. Electronic bag. And then here's my rain stuff. I still have the other wheels on it, but I'm gonna change that up next week. And then it's ready to go. I think this is a nice little setup to drive. And I can take the stuff with me that I need. And I have the Tenere travel package, so I don't need to take all my sleeping gear, tents and clothing with me. So my other exhaust is coming on as well. This is my street setup. The last thing I need to do is change the rear brake pads and put the wheels on it, and then it's ready to go. Of course, I'm gonna take the normal luggage with me as well, but because I got the dealer package, I can take a suitcase with me, and in that suitcase I will put my laptop and my normal clothes, my tent, all that kind of stuff. I'm not gonna be showing you that because it's not really an interesting video on how I pack my boxer shorts. I'm gonna show you which gear I'm taking with me on my trip. That will be in the next episode, and also the drop off from the bike at the dealership. And after that, the first video then will be in France. So until the next time.